Welcome to my channel, and today we're diving into something that feels less like a vehicle and more like a rolling palace. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 has officially stepped into the world of motorhomes, and let me tell you, this isn't just a motorhome, it's the king of motorhomes. From the outside, it carries the bold and commanding stance you'd expect from a Kenworth, but once you step inside, it's a world of elegance, comfort, and luxury that makes five-star hotels look ordinary. This is more than travel, it's a lifestyle. The motorhome itself has been designed with absolute precision, blending the rugged DNA of Kenworth's long-haul trucks with the luxury expected in the finest RVs. The spacious layout is a showcase of smart engineering, maximizing every inch of space without ever feeling cramped. Smooth ambient lighting, premium materials, and modern design elements combine to create an interior that feels more like a penthouse suite than a mobile home. It's the kind of motorhome that doesn't just get you from point A to point B, it makes the journey feel like the destination. Now let's talk about one of the highlights, the kitchen. This isn't some tiny kitchenette tucked into a corner. It's a fully functional luxury kitchen designed to rival what you'd find in upscale apartments. Think of high-end appliances, induction cooktops, a spacious refrigerator, a built-in oven, and even a microwave that blends seamlessly into the cabinetry. The countertops are finished in premium materials that give off a sleek and durable look, while ample storage ensures you never run out of space for your cooking essentials. Whether you're whipping up a quick meal on the road or preparing a full dinner spread for family and friends, this kitchen is a chef's dream in a motorhome. Moving into the bedroom, you'll quickly realize this is where Kenworth wanted you to feel completely at home. The room has been designed to give you the experience of a luxury suite, not just a sleeping area. A plush, queen-size bed with premium mattress support ensures comfort on even the longest trips. Ambient lighting creates a warm and cozy atmosphere, while built-in wardrobes and smart storage solutions mean you can bring along everything you need without feeling cluttered. The finishing touches, soft upholstery, elegant wood accents, and privacy shades make this space a true retreat after a long day on the road. And then there's the bathroom, something many motorhomes struggle to get right, but the Kenworth T2000 absolutely nails it. It feels less like a cramped RV bathroom and more like a private spa. You'll find a spacious walk-in shower with glass doors, premium fixtures, and excellent water pressure. The vanity area is sleek, with modern sink, designs, elegant lighting, and plenty of space for toiletries. Even the toilet setup has been engineered for comfort and convenience. It's the kind of bathroom that makes you forget you're inside a motorhome entirely. To wrap it all up, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a revolution in luxury travel. The kitchen is ready for gourmet experiences, the bedroom offers true relaxation, and the bathroom rivals high-end hotels. Combine that with the bold exterior presence of a Kenworth truck, and you've got a motorhome that sets new standards in the industry. This isn't just a way to travel, it's the ultimate way to live on the move.